Hi guys, my name is Onyeza. Welcome to my channel. Today we are making beetroot in my instant pot. So the first thing is we need to wash our beetroot with cold water, and then we are going to remove the ends. Okay, and then when we are done, we are going to add about half a cup of water and then put the steaming basket or the steaming rack that comes with the instant pot, and then we will place our beetroot. Okay, and then we close our instant pot. Make sure that it is on sealing and not venting, and then pressure cook, set it to 40 minutes, and then we'll come back 40 minutes later. Okay, now we're done. So you release your steam, or you can just let it release on its own. It's gonna take about 3 minutes to do that, and then you take out your rack and you put your beetroot in the sink and then wash it again with cold water, and you will see that the skin will just come off so easy with cold water. Okay, and then after removing the skin and the ends, we'll just dice our beetroot into smaller pieces, and then we'll let it cool off. Okay, so now that my beetroot is ready, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of chutney. You can use any chutney that you want, and then I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and then I'm gonna mix that up, and then I'm gonna keep it in the fridge, and we'll have it at home for maybe 3 or 4 days, and then I will freeze the rest, and I'm just gonna use it whenever I need to, or I am going to make smoothies with it. So yeah, that is it, guys. Let me know if you like it or if you tried it at home, and see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.